Now, let's discuss marketing concepts. Our marketing concept is not just about selling. It's a strategy where business focus on understanding and satisfying consumer needs to achieve success. This makes a shift from pushing product to building customer relationship and delivering value. Modern companies like Amazon, Apple, and Netflix use data and feedback to constantly improve and personalize what they offer. Five core marketing concepts. These are four key marketing philosophy every business should know. Let's understand each of them using a bottled water startup called EcoSip as a real life example. First is production concept. Focus on cost and efficiency. Their goal is to make profit affordable and easily accessible. EcoSip example. Invest in automated bottling system. Sources water locally to cut cost. Offer eco-friendly bottled water at low price for budget-conscious buyers. Best suited when demand exceeds supply or when customers care more about low price than variety. Second is product concept. Focus on quality and innovation. Their goal is to deliver product with higher quality, features and design. Let's take EcoSip example. Uses natural spring water, packaging it in biodegradable bottles, target health conscious and eco-aware consumers. Work best when consumer prioritize product excellence over prices. Third is selling concept. Focus on promotion and persuasion. Their goal is to drive sales through strong promotional efforts. Let's take an example of EcoSip. Give away free sample at gym and colleges. Collaborate with influencer to boost online presence. Ideal for markets that are highly competitive with many similar alternatives. Fourth is marketing concept. Customer-centric strategy. Their goal is to understand and meet specific customer need better than competitor. Let's take an example of EcoSip. Conduct customer survey to learn motivators. Provide loyalty rewards through a mobile app. Focus on long-term satisfaction and success, not just short-term goals. Fifth is societal marketing concepts, ethics and responsibility. The goal is to balance between profit, customer satisfaction and societal welfare. Let's take an example of EcoSip. Plants one tree for every 10 bottles sold. Publishes sustainability reports to build transparency. Perfect for brand aiming to win emotionally loyalty and align with social responsibility. Digital transformation in marketing concept. This section emphasizes how digital tools and platforms are changing the way marketing concepts are emulated. Tools like AI, big data, and CRM allow precise customer segmentation, predictive marketing strategy, personalized offers and experience. Let's take an example of Amazon and Flipkart. They use AI to recommend products based on purchase history and preference. Personalize emails, offers, and send them at optimal times. Their impact is to high engagement, stronger relationship, and higher conversion rates. That's all. Thank you.